Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make AI designed thumbnails for using DeepSeek. If you want YouTube or shorts thumbnails that look like professional and viral ready, here's how to do it step by step. Step number 1, open DeepSeek. Go to deepseek.ai.chat.ai.deepseek.com in your browser, or you can install the app. It works directly online. In the chat box, type a detailed prompt like generate something like type in something like this and include bold text, solar icons, and shocked faces. DeepSeek will instantly describe or design AI thumbnail concept for you. If DeepSeek does not create an sorry. Step 3, ask for an image generation prompt. If DeepSeek doesn't create an actual images, tell it to type in something like this, and then it will produce a text prompt you can copy straight into those platforms to make a real thumbnail, and paste that prompt into Canva, Magic Media, Leonardo AI, Bing Image Creator, or anything like that. These tools will turn DeepSeek's prompt into realistic thumbnail image instantly. Upload the image to Canva or Pixable. Add big bold text, 4 to 5 words max, and bright emojis or borders. Safety tip: never use celebrity faces or copyrighted brand images in thumbnails. AI tools can accidentally generate restricted contents. Quick fix: if DeepSeek's results look generic, be specific, add tone. Example: YouTube tech thumbnail, dark cinematic style, gaming highlights look. The more detailed, the more accurate the thumbnail design, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.